Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Google Classroom walkthrough. In this video, we're going to take a look at the home interface of Google Classroom, as well as the Stream tab that you can see up here. All right, this screen or this page is going to be the page you all are introduced to once you log into your class using the join code. On this page, there are a couple of things I'd like to draw your attention to. Firstly, in this space here, you're going to find the title of your class. Make sure that if you're logged into a Google Classroom, that this title matches the class you want to be in. All right. Over here, you're going to see this name printed again, followed by a menu in the upper left corner. If we click on this menu, it's going to open up any class that you are currently logged into. It's a quick way to navigate between classes. As you can see, these are the classes that I'm going to teach. And if I click on one of them, it will take me to that new Google Classroom. All right. You will also see a quick thing about your calendar if you want to check out your calendar. So these are both super helpful if you want a quick, easy, quick, easy way to see what you're in and to navigate between Google classes. All right. Over here, you're going to have three links. You can look at the stream, classwork, or the people tab. What we're going to focus on in this video is the stream, which is going to be a space for your teachers to post any announcements, reminders, resources, or if there are any assignments that have been posted, a notification will pop up here as well. It's a great idea to check this multiple times in a day just to make sure you're up to date on any announcements that the teacher has made, any resources they have posted, or if maybe you're missing an assignment that needs to be turned in the next couple days. With that in mind as well, in this over left here menu, you're going to see any upcoming work that you might have. So say you have an assignment in one of your other classes, or say you have an assignment in this class, it'll pop up here saying you have work due in this class at this time and on this day. All right. Again, everyone, this is going to be a super helpful environment for you all to get announcements, reminders, and resources from your teachers as we start to navigate the eSchool this year. Thank you.